Okay, part two. So, I got the spring back on here. Took it off the old one. Put it on here. I'm going to put the clamp back on. And by the way, I'll make a video too on how to replace the air filter, which is 4 screws in this box. So now that I got this ready to go, all I'm going to do is slide it back on. Line it up. Get this part in. Get this over. And then install my clamp back on. Actually, let me go to the top. Well, almost. There we go. That's ready. Put this back. Get my 10mm socket. Tighten this up. Not too tight. And there you go. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.